So I was a bit late getting in on that video, but this is the trade we're taking right now. We have a 1, 2 down below prior swing. It's a pretty weak swing, so we'll see what happens with it, but we're in it for now. Stop is down here at 62. That means the target's going to be 72, 77. I mean 87. So we'll see if we're able to get a fill in here. Make it run out. It's been pretty weak this morning. So we'll see what kind of happens here. We're at the bottom of this channel, and we're also at the swing right here is what we're using. I want to send it back up to the other side of the channel here. So we've gone as high as +4. We need to get to +9 to move our stop up. I don't think this is a major swing. A major swing. We're starting to get a little bit of a run here. See if we can get up to 9. Okay, our stop is now moved up. And target is at +15. So we'll see if we can get the 15. If not, there's no more risk in the trade, so I feel pretty good about that. And we haven't really gotten one and two counts all along here, so label our 2. So this was the first, so we had a 1, 1, 1, and then finally got a lower push, giving us our 2. Great, so we got our 15. So quick analysis of the trade. Although this was a weaker swing level, it became validated when we had a higher low here, and so when we put this in, and we also have a channel, so you can see how it's kind of respecting this channel, where you get a touch here. Oops, I'm going to move the channel. We get a touch here, we get a grind here, we get a touch here. Obviously, we've just taken advantage of that touch there, and then the same on the top. So what I was originally thinking was maybe we get a 1 and then a 2 try up over this 35. That didn't happen, and so we continued to grind lower, but this higher low compared to this started a new count, so we had a 1 and then pull back to the moving average, so we're able to tag our 1 and then put in our 2, and then we use this kind of very minor swing. I think is worth a shot. The more that you take of these, I think the numbers will work themselves out, but that was the shot we took. Let's see if we had a stochastics. I've been less concerned about the stochastics. It's just been kind of freeing me up a little bit. So we had 7, 7. So we actually never got down under 5, but we were under 10, which is the bare minimum. So under 10, entry there, stop goes below, wait for that pop, we get the pop, and we'll see what happens. If we were trading an additional contract, the next point in time would be here at 01, and then would also be at potentially add up to this level, so maybe like a 30 point. So we will monitor these points and log them in to see if they get triggered or not. But right now our stop would be at our entry. So if we look at our control center, we can see what we're entered at. $55.72, so that would be our stop right now. So I'll put another line here that is identifying our stop. So that would be our stop. Target 2, discretionary target. So I'm starting to track these, so help us make a little more informed decisions to say that maybe 50% of the time we hit target 2 and 20% of the time we hit the discretionary target. But we'll see what happens. That's it for this.